In previous video, we performed the pre-sales costing, and the result is system calculated total bill of material quantity and the price to quote. The goal is to perform entire thing is to eliminate guesswork, ensure costing accuracy, get quantity of bill of material, and accelerate quote to order conversion. In last video, we have started by creating an inquiry item, which will form the foundation for all subsequent calculations. We capture all item-related details, and for this, you don't have to use multiple spreadsheet and manual calculation. It will happen in a centralized screen, so user would not leave any cost-driving parameter. System will calculate open height and open width as you can see it in screen. This step is extremely important because the accuracy of costing depends entirely on the completeness of this information. When it comes to weight, system also calculates film width, weight per piece, total net weight, per reel length, etc. After calculating and taking all information in account, Samadhan ERP software for flexible packaging, built in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, give you the total cost, also the breakup of process and bill of material cost. Then user can define the margin percentage and instantly calculate the final unit selling price. At the end of the pre-sales process, the system delivers complete technical and commercial clarity. This ensures that what you quote is exactly what you produce, with full control over cost and margin. This ensures that every operational and customer-specific cost is included in the final calculation and instantly calculate the final unit selling price. This gives sales teams full confidence that the quote is accurate, competitive, and profitable. Once pre-sales costing process is completed, now we convert sales quote to sales order. In Samadhan ERP software for flexible packaging industry, we made it very easy. First, you have to click on Release this sales quote by clicking on Release button. Once user click the Release button, user can see the status of this document changes to Released right here in the screen. After that, user can click on Make Order button and system will prompt you and ask for your final confirmation. Once user confirm this, system will prompt you with new sales order number and sales quote will convert to sales order. This simple process eliminates manual intervention, error, and confusion.
This is how we convert sales quote to sales order in Samadhan ERP software for flexible packaging built in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Thank you.